Hey you guys, this is Desiree. This video is for adult dancers who want to get more flexible. If you are a ballet dancer, contemporary dancer, liturgical or worship dancer, then this is the video for you. I think that one of the biggest intimidation factors in adult dancers is their flexibility. And so that's why I'm doing this video. So let me tell you more about it. I'm doing a 31-day challenge in October, coming up in a few days, where every single day, twice a day, I'll be doing some stretches, okay? That's gonna help me get my splits, help me be overall more flexible. And then I'm also going to be doing some exercises that a lot of coaches do for younger dancers, okay? And so I'm translating that for adult dancers, okay? I'm going to show you the exercises that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using my pole instead of a ballet bar. And as far as my stretches, that post will be coming out, I promise, probably later today when I'm in a bigger space, in a brighter space. I will do my stretching video. And as a dancer, that's one of the things I feel is lacking in me as a dancer is flexibility. There's one thing if your leg comes to like here, but it's something else if it comes all the way up here. You know, you want to have a pretty arabesque, or you want to do a leg hold, or a leg hold and spin. You know, you want to do a couple of pirouettes and a high leg hold. Like those are the type of things that I feel, regardless of the person's understanding of the arts, the average person understands flexibility. They may not realize it, but when you see a dancer that's leg is all the way up here, I mean, hello, come on, that's like, whoa. So I think that that's one thing that every dancer wants to achieve, and I think that that is really one of the key elements to the beauty of dance. Before I even show you the exercises, let me show you some important components of increasing flexibility, okay? Those things right here. First things first is water, okay? If you want to be flexible, you gotta take care of your body. I got this at Walmart. This is 2 liters, I believe. Another thing is this baby. This is a foam roller that has this big hole in it, so I like to carry it around like I'm Barrett from Final Fantasy VII. Okay, seriously, foam rolling. Back to topic. So this is a foam roller. I got it off Amazon. I'll put a link below. My cat got to it, if you're wondering what those little dots were. I didn't like shoot at it with a BB gun. I roll. You're gonna see me do this in my stretch video, but foam rolling is like one of those hidden things. If you have injuries, if you had injuries in the past that's just quite not the same, get a foam roller. It is going to change your world. So foam rolling, I try to foam roll every day, okay? But I definitely do it every other day. Last week I did it every day. Like I am foam rolling like a mad woman, okay? But see, foam rolling, imagine it like rolling out dough, okay? You're rolling out dough, you're getting your dough warm, you're getting it more pliable and flexible. This is what this does for your muscles, okay? Hydration is important. Foam rolling is important. Nutrition is important, okay? It's fall, you guys. You're gonna see me eating apples, like a lot, okay? Even in person, so. Okay, you guys. Whoa, that workout was intense, okay? And I just got through filming the actual exercises part of the 31-day challenge. And you guys, you know, anything worth having, you've got to work your butt off for it. So it's going to be challenging to do this every day, but you're going to see results. Or if you want, you can just follow me along on my journey and I'll be the guinea pig and we can see if this really works or not. But I'm pretty confident that I'm going to see results and be very thankful that I went ahead and did this thing, because I have been wanting this flexibility for the longest. I have finally revamped my website. Oh my God, if they do not stop blowing. Like, it takes them like 4 hours. You know what I'm saying? Bless them. But I have actually finally revamped my website. So if you go to virtuousdesi.com, you will actually, if you just scroll down, whether you're on your phone or whatever, I have the calendar right here. If you click on that calendar, it's going to take you to a page here that's just kind of explaining everything. But if you click on this, it's actually a printable situation that comes up there. It looks weird on the mobile phone, but it's like a PDF that you can print if you want. So you can print out the PDF on there. It's really a simple calendar, you guys. It's not complicated. I wanted to make this simple, but at the same time, it's like I wanted to do it in a way that was going to help us all really see results. It's not too much in 31 days. Be patient with your body. Take it easy on your body. Like I was saying, drink a lot of water, foam roll. I would also recommend some sort of protein shakes or extra protein in your diet, even if that's just, some Greek yogurt, because you are working your muscles and you want to be able to repair those muscles. So diet, nutrition, dancers is super important, especially, if you're doing a bar. Like this is Monday and I do arms on Monday. I'm working out my arms. I'm back on my weightlifting schedule. I just don't do as much with my legs, especially not in October, because I'm going to be doing all this other stuff. So, yeah, working out arms and doing these exercises and stretching, all of that is it requires muscle repair. So take care of your body, be patient with your body. Don't do anything that's going to hurt you. This is just what I'm doing. You do what's comfortable for yourself. And I would also say, if you've never done any sort of physical activity, you probably want to talk to your doctor before you start doing all of that, especially if you've got other things going on. So disclaimer there, do at your own risk. But I'm really excited about this. I hope that you guys will join me, or at least follow my journey. And that's it. So I hope you enjoy the videos. If you go on my website, the exercises will be the videos showing you the actual exercises that I'm doing. It will be posted on my website. So go to the website. You will see all of the exercises that I'm doing. I will list them out for you. I didn't want to put all that on the calendar. It just would have been too much. So I'm listing it separately. But if you want to know the names of the exercises, the order that I'm doing it in, you can watch the video. I'll also have it kind of out in some sort of description form. So, welcome to the Desi Adult Dancer 31-Day Challenge starting October 1st, you guys. God bless.